Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from very popular mobile game Summoner's War Sky Arena. And today we are checking the 100% win rate team for Dragon's Lair B12. As you can see, team is consisting from Verde, which is the fire vampire, Lauren, light cowboy girl, Fran, light fairy king, El Sharian, light Ifrit, and Rauk. Fire Inugami, second Avaken already. So as you can see, in this fight we are going straight for the dragon. We are the same as at the middle boss. We are going straight for the boss. The same in the end of the game. We are going straight for the dragon with all of the attackers. In this run, really a huge role plays the El Sharian, which is taking away the immune buff from the dragon at the final stage, at the boss stage. And at the same time, he is giving this buff to your team. Actually, he's stealing the buff from the boss and gives it to your team. And this ability actually is the key in the run. Because as you can see, the dragon is dealing huge damage and it's dealing continuous damages. And actually when he is immune, it's really hard to deal him any damage and it's hard to kill him. But as soon as El Sharian is steal him this buff, it's so much easier. As you can see in the rounds, there are some rounds that are better, some are worse. In some, only one monster will survive. In some cases, all 5 monsters will survive. But still, as you will see in the end of the video, this team had, in my case, 100% win rate ratio, what is actually really amazing. And in the end of the video, I will show you the runes of every of the monsters, the same as the abilities of how they are skilled up, and everything else what you need to see. So in this video we are going 10 rounds, not sure how many you will see in the final video, but we went for 10 rounds. The average time was 3 minutes and 15 seconds, and the best of those 10 rounds were at the level of 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Actually, as you could see at the end of this fight, our best team is at this time at the level just 3 minutes. So basically we will actually improve it. And so yep, this is it. I believe the Rauk Fire Inugami can be replaced by Crow, the Dark Inugami, but actually this is working really well, so why to change anything? Still I have some place for improving the runes, because I really don't have set the best kind of runes, and even the artifacts are not the best ones which I am using. So as you can see, yeah, my team is very often low health, but actually we are still able to kill the dragon. And as you can see in this run, actually we killed him without even any of the monsters died. So I think it's actually a really good team. Even the average time is not great, but nowadays when you have already repeat battle function in the game, I don't think it actually cares, because in Dragon's Lair B12 you have 2.5 times higher chance to getting 6-star runes than actually you have at a B10. What I think is amazing, and it's really visible. When you are going just those few rounds, you will see that you can get huge amount of 6-star runes, and many of them are epic and legendary, what is actually game changing in your way. So we'll check the last run of the dragon, then those last stats, and we will check the runes of every of the monster that we are using. So as you could see, middle boss, we are going straight for him too, and in the end straight for the dragon. Okay, and we are done right now. So you saw already few runs, and now let's check out the runes of every monster. So as you can see, first monster was Verde. You can see his stats here. He is built well on revenge with speed, critical rate and HP. The main is to build him 100% critical rate. That is completely main, but HP, huge HP for this Dragon Lair B12 is key too. Next is Rauk, the Fire Inugami second Avaken. His runes, as you can see, he's not even skilled up properly. He still can be better, so I think this team actually can be faster and with higher percentage. So runes are Vio and Nemesis with speed, critical damage and attack on the 6th place. The third is El Sharion, Light Ifrit. As you can see, he is fully skilled up. And runes are Violent and Revenge with stats speed, attack and defensive. So the next one is Fran, Light Fairy Queen, sorry. There you can see her stats. She's fully powered up, what is not hard because Fairy is dropping quite often from mystical scrolls. There are runes twice Endure and 1 Will, speed, HP and HP. So, and the last but not least is Lauren, the Light Cowboy Girl. And there, as you can see, she has not great stats at all. Completely, she could be so much better, but she's fully skilled up in our case. And as you can see, runes are Violent and Focus with speed, HP and death. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. Hopes you like it, hopes I helped you, and if you want more videos from Summoner's War, just hit the comment what kind of video you would like to see on this channel. So, see ya, have a nice day, and thank you for watching. See you at the next video. Goodbye.